Dear friends, welcome to all of you these video lessons. Today my lesson is targeted for primary school children, small children. I just want to explain the meaning of certain terms such as counting numbers, natural numbers, multiples, factors, composite numbers, prime numbers. Now children, when you are setting the books in your bookshelf, you may have say 5 books. How do you count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. That is why these numbers are called counting numbers. How do you write those symbols? Suppose you want to show 3 books. I have 3 books. How do you write 3? So this is the symbol. So this is called this is just a symbol, a mathematical symbol. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Suppose you want to show you have 8 books, you will write like this. When you are counting, say you are counting your friends. Suppose you go to a park to play with your friends and you want to see how many friends are there to play the game. So you will start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. So these numbers are called counting numbers, and they have a special name also called natural numbers. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Suppose you have 15 children in your group. So you will write this is the number, this is the symbol to show. Suppose you go to a hotel and you take 20 rupees. So what is the number? 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So this is 20. 2 10 rupees, 10 rupee note, 10 rupee. So this is 110. Like that, if you have 2 tens, that is 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, then 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Because you are small children, let us take 32. Maybe in your class you may have 30 children, so this is the number to show. Now these are numbers called counting numbers, and also they have a special name called natural numbers, starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. If you start with 0, they are called whole numbers. You will learn later on. Now let us see what are multiples. What do you mean by multiples? 2, 4, 6, they are called multiples of 2. Why? 2 is the first multiple. 2 ones are 2. Okay. 1 is a multiple of all the numbers. 2 ones are 2, 3 ones are 3, 4 ones are 4. So 1 is a factor of all the numbers. Now let us take 2, first multiple. 2 twos are how much? 4. So let us start with 2. Second multiple, 2 twos, 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 sixes are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 18. 20. 22. 24. 26. 28. 30. 32. They are all called multiples of 2. Multiples of 2. So what are these multiples of 2? 2, 4, 6, 8. So these are which I have crossed. They are called the multiples of 2. Now let us see what are the multiples of 3. Let us start with 3. So 3 is the first multiple. 3 ones are 3. Then what is its second multiple? 3 twos are 6. The 6 is already multiple of 2 as well as multiple of 3. Now 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So 9 is multiple of 3 only, not multiple of 2. Next multiple, 3 4s are 12. So 12. So this 12 is common multiple. This is multiple of 3 as well as multiple of 2. But whereas 15 is multiple of 3 only. 3 5s are 15. 3 6s are 18. 3 7s are 21. 3 8s are 24. 3 9s are 27. 3 10s are 30. So like that multiples of 2 and 3. If you take multiples of 2 and 3, let us see the into mark. So multiple of this 6 you see, this is multiple of 2 as well as multiple of 3. So this is common. This is common for both 2 and 3. Again you look at this 12. So this is multiple of 2 as well as multiple of 3. So it is called common multiple. Then again, what is the number which is having into 18? And again, what is the number which is having into 24? Then again you see 30. These are multiples. Now let us see the factors. What do you mean by factors? Suppose you take 12. 12 can be written as 3 into 4. 3 4s are 12. So these 3 and 4 are called factors. Factors of 12. But again 4 can be further factorized. 4 is 2 into 2. So 12 is 3 into 4. Again 4 is 2 into 2. So you can write, this is called factor tree. Factor tree. That means this 12 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3, which is equal to 12. So these 3 and 4 are factors of 12. Also you can say 2, 2, 3 are factors of 12. Whereas these are called multiples. 4, multiple of 2, 6, multiple of 3, etc. Now, any number which has factors other than 1 and 2, because 1 is factor of all the numbers you can write. Suppose you take 11, 11 ones are 11, 13 you take 13 ones are 13. Okay, 1 is a factor of all the numbers. But 13 do not have any factors other than 1 and the number itself. So such numbers are called prime numbers. So these numbers are called composite numbers. Now let us see how many prime numbers are there. Now start with 5. So what are the multiples of 5? 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30. Now 2 do not have any factor other than 1, and 3 also, 3 1s are 3 only. 5 also, 5 1s are 5 only. 7 also, 7 1s are 7. That means 7 and 1 are only the factors. 11 also same thing. 11 into 1 is 11. No other factors. 13 also, 13 1s are 13. No other factors. Okay. Then 17 also same thing. 17 in 1s are 17. 19 1s are 19. 23 also, no other factors. Right? 29 also, no other factors. 31 also, no other factors. Why? Because you see 5, then the next number 7. Let us see multiples of 7. 7 2s are 14. 14 is already a multiple. That means 14 has 2 factors. 14 is 2 into 7. That is why 14 is called composite number, because it has factors 2 and 7. It is not prime number. But if you see 13, 13 is not multiple of anything here. So 13 do not have any factors except 1. So 13 can be written as 1 into 13 only, no other. So 13 is a prime number. 9, 11. So what is the multiples of 11? 11 2s are 22, already cut, which is a multiple of 2 also. Then if you take 13, 13 2s are 26, already a multiple of 2. 13, then 17, 17 2s are 34, which is not here. Then 19, 19 2s are 38, which is also not here. 23, 2 times 23 is 46, second multiple, 46 also is not here. Then 29, 29 second multiple also not here. 31. So dear children, these are the special numbers. 1 we don't consider. 1 is neither prime nor composite, because 1 into 1 is 1 only. All other numbers, these numbers which I have taken, they can be written as 1 into 2. 2 is 2 into 1, only 2 factors, 2 and 1. 3 is written as 3 into 1, only 2 factors, 3 and 1. But if you see any other number which is marked, like 20 can be written as 4 into 5, like 12, 2 into 6. So such numbers are called composite numbers. So what are the composite numbers? 4, 6, 8, 14, 15, 12, all these things which I have put into marks, they are all called composite numbers because they have factors like these. Now let us list out the prime numbers, that is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, then 29, then 31. So these are the prime numbers less than 33. Prime numbers less than 33 are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31. Remaining all composite numbers. So prime numbers do not have any factors other than the number and itself. But whereas composite numbers have so many factors like 28. 28 can be written as 2 into 14. 14 again can be written as 2 into 7. Okay, so 28 has 3 factors, 2, 2, 7. But 7 do not have any factors. So that is why 7 is called a prime number. So dear children, we have seen what is counting numbers. The same thing are also called natural numbers. Then what are the multiples? What are the factors? What are the composite numbers? What are the prime numbers? In the coming classes, I will give some puzzles on prime numbers. We can make some statements. We can make them equations on prime numbers. Okay. So like this you can do it yourself. You can take some more numbers. I have taken up to 32. Okay. Like that, if you are interested, you see this video again and again and understand how to locate the prime numbers. In this entire exercise, what we did, what are the composite numbers, what are the multiples we have seen, the remaining, filtering all these composite numbers, remaining numbers are the prime numbers. It is like filtering. Okay. So 2, 3, 5, 7, like that. We have found out how many prime numbers are there less than 33. So if you are interested, if you find, okay, you can take up to 50. and find out how many prime numbers are there. You can write up to 60, up to 70, up to 100. Okay, you can work out, you can find out the prime numbers up to 100. How to find out the prime numbers? You filter out, you take out the composite numbers. What is a composite number? If it has a factor other than 1 and the number itself, if it can be factorized like this, then it is a composite number. Then you take out, so like that you remove all the composite numbers and what remains is the prime number. So you do it yourself, don't see anywhere, don't ask your parents, don't search in Google and try to find out all the prime numbers less than 100. So in the next class we will meet. Thank you.